What's the meaning of built up? Built up. Built up.
Built up. Built up. The term built up typically refers to an area where structures such as buildings and homes have been constructed in close proximity to one another, creating a densely populated urban or suburban environment. The result of such development is often a bustling community with numerous amenities, such as shops, restaurants, and cultural institutions, as well as a variety of transportation options. However, built-up areas can also lead to traffic congestion, pollution, and other environmental concerns. Despite these challenges, many people are drawn to the social and economic opportunities available in built-up areas, and such communities continue to be a defining feature of modern life.